In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email blast in Getresponse. We'll walk through the process from inside your Getresponse account, so you can quickly send a newsletter or promotional email to your audience. Even though the steps are simple, I'll slow down and explain what each one does so you feel confident before you hit send. Once you're logged in, start by going to the main menu at the top of your dashboard and look for the section labeled Tools. This is where Getresponse keeps most of its marketing features. Hover over or click on Tools, then choose Email Marketing. This will take you to the area where all of your newsletters and one-time email campaigns live. On this screen, you'll see an option to create something new. Click on Create Newsletter. This is the button that starts the process of building your email blast. Getresponse may ask you to name your newsletter internally and choose a subject line, so take a moment to give it a clear, descriptive name and a subject that matches the content you plan to send. Next, you'll need to decide who will receive this email. Look for the option that says Add Recipients and click on it. Here, you can select one or more of your existing email lists or saved segments. Make sure you choose the list that actually contains the people you want to reach with this message. If you're testing, it's often a good idea to send first to a small internal list or a test contact before broadcasting to everyone. After your recipients are set, click on Design Message. This is where you'll choose how your email looks. Getresponse will show you a range of templates, such as basic layouts, promotional designs, or newsletters. Pick any template that fits your goal. You can customize it with your own text, images, logo, and links. Keep the design clean and easy to read, and always double-check your links, headlines, and call to action. When you're happy with the design and content, click Next in the editor. This usually brings you to a review page where you can confirm the subject line, sender details, recipient list, and tracking options. Take a moment here to scan everything and make sure there are no typos or wrong lists selected. Finally, you're ready to send. You'll see the options Send Message or Schedule. Click Send Message if you want the email blast to go out right away. If you prefer to send it at a later time or date, choose Schedule. Then set the exact time that works best for your audience. Once that's done, your email blast is ready to go out through Getresponse.